I first got here. It's really easy to get overwhelmed with all the tiny questions about how the government works and the road works.
I didn't know anyone from here, and it was a whole new thing for me.
Buddies helped me to hang out, such as having a study tour, cooking classes, or even just like going to karaoke together.
Just the personable moments they've invited me to. It's been nice. I feel welcomed.
So it's like being a buddy or actually just a friend to your international friends, because I mean, the main job about the buddy, of course, is about organizing events, but the real purpose of it is just to get people connected together, get them to know the culture, helping them, of course, but not helping them as a staff. We also like a companion with them, sharing through hardships and everything.
We have nothing but volunteers, and we all know that we're going to be smashed with questions. It's totally okay to just bombard everyone. Everyone will be keen to help you.
Each semester, we always have new people, new characteristics. We have different adventures as well as like activities to play. So it's really all about the people and the culture they bring in with them and their personality as well.
Vietnam has a lot of more exciting things to explore, a lot of different cultures for you. So yeah, come to Vietnam.
Let's explore the world together.
Api ekatuela, api gamana idiria deamo.
우리 다 같이 세계를 무대로 나아갑시다.
讓我哋一齊探索世界。
Khám phá thế giới cùng nhau nào!